Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amavenzo to TV. It's an international friendly. Bafana Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by Chwaka Parks. Chwaka Parks.
Tibos.
Unjani baba wami?
Anything can happen. Guess what?
Genzekeni manje.
Ibafana Bafana one day can win World Cup.
You think so?
One day.
Yes.
Is one day.
Yeah.
Even Lionel Messi.
Yeah.
Wadlala. Never thought it one day we paramisa a World Cup.
Yes.
But ektineni
We
lifted the World Cup. Ibafana in South Africa as a country.
Yes, yeah.
We hosting a World Cup.
Yes, yeah.
Of which one day we'll win
You
the
welcome.
World Cup.
We are sure ile marache.
Nobody knows. If God say yes,
No one can say no.
no one can say no.
I love your faith.
Umanga uthanda ibhola kumele ubelieve.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bache.
Sibos sibonge nje friendly game benhle, although ama system abedlala I thought uBrumo ufihle isystem azogadla ngayo eAmerica.
Yes, man.
Futhi ke uyazi ukuthi mangayidedela yonke isystem azogadla ngayo eAmerica.
Yes, man.
Angabuya early.
Yes, man.
Even ne starting lineup asebenzisile namhlanje ubonisile vele ukuthi ku friendly game.
Yes, man.
And two angibonge isupport engiyibone eMabhida.
Yes, man.
Liyathanda ibhola KZN.
Yes, man.
I-friendly game zengakesho ukuthi ze umdlalo zo serious uzeke wazi vele ukuthi usangafakwa 10 kuphinde replace 10 at the same time because it's a friendly game.
Yes, man.
But ukuma all out bakweseka i-national team. I salute them. Ngithi thank you very much.
Va.
Yeah. Stevos ake ngiqale ngidlulise amazwi enduduzo kwifamily yamabhakane yangiqale kwi branch Windmill branch kusasa iyangcwaba as a Saturday 28 ilunga labo sithe sisatholela ama message kwabe sokungena futhi okuye kwasidida amakhanda kwashiya silimele emva kwepali behind the pools ukudlula emhlabeni kwendoda besibiza uMahosha insizwa beyifaka iwigi izipende ubuso ithukhala sometimes izipende ngo black and white sometimes go red sometimes ifaka nje ublack wonke kube mnyama kube into ene culture yakhe ayenzayo ebehlanya na shine ingoma very hard under Pristine Branch ngithi to the family friends nakwingane zakhe may so rest in eternal peace. Tomorrow Pristine sizobe sine memorial service yakhe memorial service izoqala from ngabo 2 ukuyosho bo 5 after memorial service the trip all the way to Limpopo province ukuthi siyopha ifamily ibranch yakhe isupport ukuthi awuthi le bhakane besiphila nalo besihamba nalo siyalazi siyokweseka umndeni nefamily of which izinto ezinjenganalezi ziyenzeka sisonke siphila kulomhlaba esikulindele njengamanje ukufa ukufa akunotice anytime kufika nje ngesiquphe kudlule kusashiya kukhalwa engasonke isikhathi anyway ke uNkulunkulu the way asidala ngakona ukuthi siyokwenza konke emhlabeni kodwa ke yonke indlela futhi yokuya kuyena ezulwini idlula ekufeni yeah Thibo ngiphinde ngidlule lapho amabhakane yahlele umkhulu umsebenzi wamabhakane and then eNorthwest isobotla municipality ibranch yakhona yalauncha ngithi all the best of luck because bekumele ngibe khona ngale into shintshile ukufa ikona kwesikuthanda phambili than enjoyment because mangasi launch branch is all about happiness, is all about fun.
Yes.
Because welcome my branch afike wonke ama branches welcome branch entsha hey kumnandi baba ngiyafisa ngelinye ngathi nama friends wethu ngaka nje ningiphatreke nobona lezi zinto kumnandi niyozibona futhi nobakhalwa njengisho ukuthi mangithi siya njana nje sobamba memorial service masibambe memorial service sabalandili bebhola sibamba kanjani uma sithi honora ilunga lethu siyolingcwaba senza njani siyadinga ukuthi nakulelo sithathu kwangathi ngaqhamuka nje nizophi support ngeke ngisho ukuthi wonke lo mndeni omkhulu kangaka senawo ama-fans wethu sokumele nibe available now and then but I wish one day kwangathi nganhlahla nje nisipatreke nibona i-unit among of branches ukuthi ingakanani noba surprise yeah mangibuya bafowethu badlalile abadlali kodwa ke ngibongele uApollis othe wabhakuzisa inet abantu abaningi mayisikora aqala ePanama I think masamba nangu kutshenela umngozi bePanama ukuthi ke amazwe mangabe ngadumanga kakhulu abantu abafocus ubona kodwa thina sinokubukela nje into eziningi ezenzakalayo kula amazwe angale ngaphandle ukuthi emazwe mayiso idlala wodwa kanjani iPanama nayo enye amazwe emane igena now and then igena now and then of which bafana nzange mistake uma is trainer nePanama because ePanama close lapho bo Ireland bo Mexico bo amashayini le China what yebo wonke lawo bo Japan ba close lapho and lezo ndawo that's why benze kahle lokuphuma bemlethela yona ukuthi ayifunde I understand the culture yangale kodwa ke singakusho mfowethu sathi all the best of luck wonke ama friendly game asazodlalwa bafana until ihambi yosimela ku World Cup eAmerica I don't know noba uminister uMckenzie usakhumbula ukuthi sabalandeli nathi abafisa ukuthi ngelinye ilanga bafana sike sihambe nayo nathi siye overseas I was very bad pain when I discuss good things no the later ufantis because abanye babalandeli labo bedeserve ukuthi ngempela ngelinye ilanga bafana bangake bahambe nayo all over la idlala khona kodwa anyway ngoba kuse South Africa izwe lepolitiki asiyaphuma lapha asikho lapha silakutheni bafana long live go bafana go
yes
yeah we as football supporters were always 100% behind you and my lastly now this message is go straight to Orlando Pirates supporters Orlando Pirates branches guys my message from Orlando Pirates management said let's stand up and protect our players to those few supporters booing them let's stop these things because right now Orlando Pirates Football Club they're chasing Betway highly now asivimbela abantu abazodisturb ifocus from Orlando Pirates players that's management and ethenga idlulise kubalandeli bonke beOrlando Pirates Football Club but please guys let's make sure that we protect the brand we protect Orlando Pirates FC we protect our players once a pirate always
thank you